be making a bubble today. Ooh! Oh no, I failed. Hey, can I do a bubble for you? Go away! That wasn't very kind of you. Hiya! How dare you slap the biggest ones? I hate you, just get out of here. Run, go! My parents will be talking about this 100 years later. Hello, what's your name again? Yep, it's Alice. Hey, why do you look like Mog? I'm his mother. You have to share. I don't want to share. Let's go. The importance of sharing. If you share, it will make things better. And if you don't share, they'll just tell you off, then you'll be in trouble. I'm going to be telling Mrs. Alisa. No, don't tell my mom, she's the strictest. She can ground me. Well, you shouldn't be like that. Let me call Mom. Mom! I'm going to call Mom and you share your stuff with you. Okay? I mean, your stuff with him. Okay? Fine. Just because my parents are going to notice this. I don't want to get grounded. Mog, I'll be going. Bye. When Mog comes to the park. Hi. Later, I was sorry about before. Yeah, I'm sorry too. No, you didn't do nothing. Do you want to watch me do my bubble? Of course, I love bubbles. I've got my bubble set. Woo! Let's watch this. Be big, since you're all gold. Whoa! Let me try that. Oh. So guys, that is the video of how you share, but with slime. So say thank you to our characters, Mom. Thank you guys! I love you all! And our colors, Alisa. Guys, my mom was gonna ground me. I hate this. But at least I share now. And I don't get grounded. Oh! You're the silly. Okay guys, if you're wondering who played the voices, it was me. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please smash that like button. And I, and Mog, and Alisa will see you next time. Goodbye!